get embraced by this beautiful
Saba's a very
gem.
unique island, especially in her own
The
way.
most beautiful nature in the Caribbean.
And let the beautiful Saba surprise you.
Extraordinarily beautiful island.
Unbelievable. You gotta come, see it to believe it.
My name is Vernisha Robinson. I'm a border control police officer. Welcome to Saba. My job entails basically working at the borders, which consists of both the airport and the harbor. This is us just making sure that all of the borders are safe and well controlled by controlling documents and persons that come in and out of our island of Saba. What I enjoy most about my work is meeting new persons from all parts of the world, from different countries, different nationalities, and seeing their various passports. Very interesting. Like I said earlier, I'm a border control officer. This ensures that the boat ports are well controlled, and this means that we control persons and items that come in on the island to help keep the island safe. Therefore, tourists and everyone on the island can feel safe. I would like visitors to know that Saba is a very unique island and special in her own way. That's why she's called the Unspoiled Queen.